Hello viewers, in today's video I am going to explain how a pawn moves in a chess game. Pawn has two types of moves. One is basic move, two is special move. In basic move we have two types. One is forward move, two is capturing. In forward move a pawn moves one or two steps like this. This applies only if the pawn has not yet moved from its starting position. Subsequent moves, a pawn can only move one square at a time like this. In capturing, a pawn captures diagonally. They move one square forward. And one square to the left or right to capture the opponent's piece. In my next video, let's see special moves. Thanks for watching. Please support me by subscribing and sharing.